Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a topic called quadratic functions and quadratic equations. First we should know about what is a quadratic function. तो quadratic function क्या होता है पहले हमें उसके बारे में पता होना चाहिए. Quadratic function, it is a sorry it is a polynomial function of degree 2. Now we must be clear about polynomial function also. So polynomial function is nothing but f of x equals to summation n goes from 0 to sorry I goes from 0 to n ai x raised to I. Here ai always belongs to R. So we are saying that uh, quadratic function is nothing but a polynomial function of degree 2. Here degree refers to the value of n. So if f of x is equals to summation I goes from 0 to ai x raised to I, which implies f of x equals to a0 x0 plus a1 x raised to power 1 plus a2 x square. You can also write it as f of x equals to a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0. This is nothing but a quadratic function. Now let's take a very basic quadratic function. F of x is equal to x square. It is also following this. Let me tell you how. F of x is equals to 1 into x square, we can write it as plus 0 into x raised to power 1 plus 0 into x raised to power 0. Here a2 is equals to 1, a1 is equals to 0 and a0 equals to 0. a2, a1 and a0 are real numbers. So it is a quadratic function. Now let us try to plot the graph of f of x is equal to x square. We have f of x equals to x square. Let us take x equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, we will get f of 0 equals to square of 0. So at x is equal to 0, we are getting f of x is equals to 0. Let on the horizontal axis, we are taking the values of x, and on the vertical axis, that is our y axis, we are taking the values of f of x. And here we are taking the values of x. So on x equals to 0, we got y also equal to 0. Let's take x equals to 1. We will get f of 1, that is square of 1. Square of 1 is nothing but 1 again. So at x equals to 1, we got y equals to 1. So we'll get this point as 1 comma 1. At x is equals to minus 1, we will get f of minus 1 as square of minus 1. that is also 1. So at x is equals to minus 1, we got y also minus 1. So this point is nothing but 1 comma minus 1. At x is equals to 2, we will get f of 2 equals to square of 2, that is 4. So at x is equals to 2, we will get y as 4. So this point is nothing but 2 comma 4. At x is equals to minus 2, we will get f of minus 2 equals to square of minus 2, that is also 4. So this point is nothing but minus 2 comma 4. Now just try to connect the dots. We will get a beautiful curve. This curve is nothing but parabola. This curve is nothing but a parabola. This curve is called parabola. So y is equals to x square looks like this. This is y is equal to x square, where this point is 0 comma 0 and this point is called as vertex of parabola. Let's play with this parabola. Suppose we have to shift this parabola 3 units in the upward direction. We have to shift this parabola 3 units in the upward direction. What we will do? We will just plot a graph which has vertex as 0 comma 3. Okay. Now what will be the effect of shifting this parabola 3 units upward on this function? Will it be remain same or it will change? Of course, y is equal to x square refers to a parabola having vertex 0 comma 0, and we are interested to find the equation or the function of, of parabola who has vertex 0 comma 3. So of course this will not be the function which is referring to this graph. So we have to find the function which is referring to get this graph. So what we will do? We will do just nothing but we will draw a straight line. Suppose this line is at x is equals to 2. This point is nothing but 2 comma 0. At 2 comma 0, this point is giving us 2 comma 4. Because at x equals to 2, y equals to 4 according to this graph. Now tell me what is going to be this distance. This distance is nothing but 3 units. And if this is 3 and this is 4, because this is 4 na, 4 plus 3 is nothing but this is going to be our 2 comma 7. So we will get y is equals to x square plus 3 as the equation of this curve. Suppose in general case let us consider we have to shift a parabola k units upward from its origin. Then the equation will look like y is equals to x square plus k. That is nothing but y minus k is equal to x square. So when we have to shift a parabola in vertical direction, the equation will look like this, where k is distance.